Hey Tingers, my name is Natalia, and as requested, today I'm gonna inspire you to create some very sassy and rude cards for your BFF. I have 10 different kind of cards I want to show you, and you will decide what kind of message you want to give to your friend. And to be perfectly honest, I totally forgot about this series. That's why I haven't made any rude cards for this series, which is so dumb because it is so entertaining and I really love these cards. Now I will have to know what you want me to create next, so be sure to vote here in the card above. And if you want to see some more of these kind of DIYs in the future, be sure to subscribe to this channel and remember to hit the bell button below so don't miss out. So let's begin. Here are 10 different rude cards for that special someone. Hey Tingers, let me know down below which one's best. I hope you enjoyed watching. Leave a like if you did, and be sure to check out these DIYs here to get some more inspiration. And if you want to see the upcoming videos in this channel, you need to subscribe and be part of a lovely Tinker family here and Natalia's Toolbox. So subscribe, and I'll see you soon with more ideas. Bye!